Hello everyone. So I'm making another flower coasters, but this time I am doing something different than I normally do with the petals. So my resin is mixed and I'm going to pour. You can see the bubbles gone. There are some still left, but when you leave it for a little bit longer it pops up itself. So I'm just pouring resin first, clear resin, and I'll show you what I have mixed so far. I have done all the mixing anyway. Here, so after mixing my resin I waited like 15 minutes, and then I started pouring clear resin in this coaster mold. By the time I done that one, the mixed resin is already set for like 20 minutes. So that's what I need, because I need a little bit thick. Then my resin got 30 minutes working time, so I have to make sure all it sits for at least 20 minutes. It needs to get warm up before you start doing when you make a flower pattern. You do need that timing. Oopsie, I'm trying to open something. So in the middle I'm putting this mermaid crushed shards shells. So it's right there. So I'm putting this few in the middle. Well done. Disaster. Now I need to pick up from there. Alright, what I do, put this on the side. So that's done now. So let me show you what I have mixed. I'm just going to move this on the side there. I'll take it off tomorrow when it's still dry. So this one is Blue Rebel from Just For You Online UK, which I mixed here. I have got Mermaid from This Little Piggy, which mixed there. So a lovely color. And got Twinkle from This Little Piggy. So that's mixed here as well. So I'm still going to wait a few minutes because it's not start warming up yet. So just wait a bit. In the meantime, just need to get rid of this. I think I should start now. So what I'm doing, I'm just making a drop. So I'm just taking in a spoon just like this, dropping one here one. Oops, that's the trouble. I will just drop it. Okay, now I still need one here, one here, one here, one here. Just going to add a little bit more there. So that's what I'm going to do all over. So if I start here, I go exactly opposite side to make sure they are all in same distance, and then I go in the middle one here between those two dots, and one here. You can still wait more to get your resin warm up if you think it's not thick enough to start doing this. Maybe I got so impatient today. Now I am going same one, but I'll be pouring little this time, just a tiny drop. That's it. Oops. Same here. Okay, so this one is done now. Mermaid. So doing same in the same line, two more dots. One is bigger one and the other one will be smaller. So start here. Oops. Just be careful when you drop it. Come back for the second round. Oops, that's quite a lot dropped there. Going one more round, the last one. So now, before I add Twinkle, what I'm going to do, I'm using the toothpick, and all I'm doing, just taking, I feel like there's one missing there. Good job spotted that. Okay, so I got my toothpick, and all I'm doing, just going like this, and every time when I drag it, I'm going to wipe just like this, so you make a hard chain. So it looks lovely. Now I'm just going to put shimmer drop, just one drop, and I'll do just one drop. Oops, don't drop it. Just a big one drop. Keep calling it shimmer, it's actually twinkle. So that's it, and then again just doing a heart shape. That's it. Lovely. Started getting thick, and you need to make sure you have enough working time when you wait for your resin to get a bit thicker, because if you don't have it, it will start setting. I'm going to give it one hit gun, so get rid of bubble, but I don't want to move too much. Just popping bubble from the top, that's all I'm doing. Okay, so that's how it looks, and I will demold tomorrow and see how they look at the side. That looks beautiful on top though. See you tomorrow. So this one, that looks ready. They're dried, so you see that it's lovely on the top. You can see the heart chain and the hearts there. So let's demold it and see how it looks at the side. So that's the top bit. That is the bottom. Lovely on there. Perfect 3D. Loving it. Same. Do another one. So less bubbles this time as well. And this is the other side. So that's the back, and this one is the top, so could be used both side, doesn't really matter, but you can see more of the shards on this side, the Abalone, the Mermaid. So that's it guys, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.